Alright, so today I'm making some beef stew from scratch. Start off by chopping up some fresh onions and bell peppers, just like so. Bit, yeah, just like that. I'm gonna scoop them bad boys up and put them in the pan. I'm gonna hit that bad boy with some garlic, some minced garlic. I was not about to chop up no garlic. Alright, so I'm gonna chop up some potatoes. This is probably the most important part for me in a stew. I'll hit that with some carrots, just like just like that. Slide that all in a pan together. You got your fresh seasoned beef tips. I'm gonna season them bad boys. I do like to start off by grilling my onions and bell peppers first. Some people probably think that's stupid since it's gonna be boiled anyway, and you're not gonna taste the difference, but whatever. All right, so I'm gonna add the meat and vegetables in with the vegetables. Then I'm gonna come behind that, hit it with some beef broth. Just gonna get that soaked all the way through there, and I'm gonna hit some water since it's gonna be boiling, you know what I'm saying? You wanna boil out all your beef broth, you wanna boil out some of that water. I'm gonna let that cook for like an hour 30 minutes, I guess. Hit it with some oregano. Then I'm gonna hit it with some sauce, man. Of course, the sauce. I'm gonna stir that up. Put that top back on there. I'm gonna let it cook some more, man. I like to make sure it's soft, Whatever you see the color changing in it, on the sauce being added, starting to thicken a little bit, and there we go. There's the finished product. What y'all think? Yes, sir. This shit actually was slapping, bro. I think this was like the best stew that I've ever made. And I've made beef stew a lot, but this is the best that I've made it. As usual, a lot of big back activity going on over here. Thank y'all for watching, man. See y'all next time. Squad.